How to know Autopay in Google Pay. Want to know if Autopay is active in Google Pay? Let's check your current payments. So, first launch the Google Pay app and make sure you're signed in with the account you use for payments. Now, from here, select payment methods and you'd be able to find the list of payment methods registered for you. So once you click on this manage other payment methods, that will take you into a browser where you can actually find the list of payment methods you've registered for Google Pay. So tap your profile icon from there, select autopay or recurring payments, and you'll see all active mandates like subscriptions, bills, or EMIs. Each entry shows the merchant payment frequency and next due date. Pending mandates appear until you confirm them with your bank or UPI PIN. Tap any active mandate to pause or cancel it. You can also edit payment details or frequency if supported. And that is how to know autopay in Google Pay.